In this video, I will introduce you to the charting control, which is a part of Net Advantage for WPF line of business. So the XamChart control has support for a number of different chart types, these including 2D and 3D charts. So let's just take a brief look at some of the samples here in the features browser in order to demonstrate the types of charts you can build using this control. Of course, we do support area charts, bar charts, candlestick charts for all of your financial data, donut charts, pie charts, line charts, and so on. So what are some of the interactions you can build using this control? Of course, there's a number of different binding scenarios. You can take a look at the code for each one of these using these buttons here. But let's just say a few words about tooltips here. Tooltips are really a valuable way in increasing the amount of data presented to your user without burdening the UI, without cluttering it with the data, but rather only presenting it when it's actually required. So in this example, you can see how the XamChart can build different tooltips in order to present the user with additional data related to the different series we're seeing at here. So what you see here are the different data points in the series, and in each data point we have a tooltip declared, which is a specific reference to a static data source. Another example that's worth noting is the triggers example, which shows how triggers can be used to highlight the active series in the legend. Please note how the highlighted series in the chart also changes its color in the legend area as well. So something else that's very important with charts is theming. So the XamChart supports a number of different themes which ship as standard with our product, so there's no need to download any additional theme packs or anything like that. So this is all themes which are included with the product and can be readily used within your project. Just a couple of words on binding. The XamChart supports binding to collections, objects, datasets, XML. So let's just take a look at how a XamChart is defined and how it's bound to data. We declare the axes in the axis collection. We specify the axis types, any animation related to those, grid line styles, and label styles. In the series collection, we specify the different series we'll be using, animations, marker types, chart parameters, chart type, and also the data source that will be used for this series, together with the data mapping that actually performs the mapping between the values shown in the chart and the values of the different properties of the bound objects. So using the XamChart, you can construct quickly a wide array of charts which are functional and also visually appealing, and also allow you to construct a data-rich charting appearances for your data.
Infragistics. On the web at infragistics.com.